You just have to admire the ferocity and the power of nature.
The rain started coming down harder. We lost power.
I was up to my waist in water.
Walls were shaking.
Trees literally like just tumbling over.
We were monitoring the news on our phone.
The water at this point, I think, is under 4 feet. If it was at 6 feet, there's no way we would have been able to get the baby out of the door.
I didn't know if you were gonna make it out alive.
It is so important in these kinds of emergencies to have access to a cell phone.
Our cell phones are pretty much our lifeline.
Having the phone, it was the reason that we got the safety.
I can't imagine what it would have been like if we did not have wireless access.
Having a charged cell phone, the ability to access information that you need through emergency wireless alerts, phone calls, social media, you can adapt to whatever nature is going to throw at you.